deal with mathematical operation in order. Today, we are going to perform one small skit which deals with the importance of board mass. Now, let's welcome my dear friends come on the stage to give the wonderful performance.
Problems. My life is full of problems. Then I'm going. Everybody counting. Always counting. I am so along with the problems. Hey, who are you? Who allowed you coming inside? First I introduce myself. I am Audition. I am your friend. I am going to prove very useful to you. I can increase your value, so don't try to avoid me. How can you do this? Tell me. I will explain. First take the number 5 and 3. I can make this number 5 plus 3 is 8. I didn't understand. Please look at this chart. See this picture. First one is apple. This one apple rate is 10 rupees. But we have 3 apples. So we will add this 3 fruit. What is the rate of 3 fruits? We will get 30 rupees. Yeah, see this next picture. Already we know that the apple rate is 10 rupees. And next we have 4 bananas. The 4 banana rate is 4 rupees. And next one we have 2 coconuts. The 2 coconut rate is 2 rupees. So we will add this 3 fruit. What is the rate of 3 fruits? We will get 10 plus 4. So is 16 rupees. Yeah, see this next picture. 1 coconut rate is 1 rupees. And next one we have apple. Already we know that the apple rate is 10 rupees. And next one we have bananas. The 3 banana rate is 3 rupees. So we will add and get 14 rupees. So I am always increase the value. Don't try to avoid me. Believe me. Wow, with addition we can make so many new numbers. I am so happy. But can you tell me how can I decrease my value?
I can decrease your value.
Show me.
Take number 3 and 2. If we subtract this value 3 and 2, then your value will be 1.
Great.
Repeated addition.
What do you mean by this? Who are you?
I am multiplication. I have the power to double the values. When you wanted to add same number again and again, I can do my calculation easier.
I am the elder brother of multiplication.
No, you got one more opportunity. Do you want to meet him?
Yes, I'm so excited. Hello, and division. When you wanted to share equal, I make your calculation easier. Friends, you can call me and share also. How many operations to deal with? I am so happy. Explain with the numbers. Okay, stop. Too many operations to deal with. What is the problem? Don't worry, dear.
according to the sequence like O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction.
Awesome. Hi, hello, I am Bracket. My bracket rule is to catch all the operations and I capture them in bots.